Good morning, everybody. Sorry for the lack of energy. I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. I am makeup free because we're going diving today. So this is our companion today. Marsh. I mean, we kind of just kissed and now you're turning your back on me? Dude.
You're shy.
You camera shy?
You're a private person. I mean,
a private dog. Wow, nice.
昨天睡不好。
你有我早起吗？ Hi, hello. So we're getting, oh, kind of noticed, really? You want to be in the shot, just say it.
No.
We're trying out gears. That's our wetsuit. Hi.
Ni hao.
I'm vlogging, so.
It's a very good underwater photography camera.
Is it underwater?
No, it's not.
If you get a casing for it.
If I get a casing, of course.
Yep. If you can get it in your arms.
Do you guys teach kids?
I have done sometimes. But in scuba diving, you have to be at least 10 to 12 years to do what we call a bubble maker.
Help! We are the champ.
We keep on fighting. Where's my phone?
Better? Okay, so we're diving today. Woohoo! For the first time, never tried it before. The two of us. Where are you going? Come here. I'm a little scared because I am slightly claustrophobic and he has asthma, so what's up?
You're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. We're just gonna be underwater. That's it.
That's it. Stay there.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go watch a tutorial and then we're gonna go in, look at the view, check it out. Not this view, but that view. Very pretty, reminding me of Sutro Bath in San Francisco. Nostalgic?
We've ever done.
Yeah.
I bet you are.
Wow.
Almost like we're having a picnic and everything.
So I think that.
So now Joey's setting up everything for us because we're useless. The suit does get really insulated. I'm like really hot right now.
Yeah, stand in the shade.
Sure. Good idea. Please have a seat.
Please have a seat.
Sit!
Get to the point.
This is the point.
This is the point. Dolphin is the point.
The beauty of the ocean. The wildlife.
I can care less.
Discover scuba diving is an amazing experience and one that opens the door to endless. And if you have a problem, signal something is wrong, followed by pointing to the problem. Need to signal out of air. But in an emergency, this tells your PADI professional to provide you air from an alternate air source.
你有什么感想?
I feel like a sperm.
You are after the fest. Ridiculous.
This is your last shot.
Your llama. You look great. You look like a hunk. Just say.
But you look stupid. 准备好了吗？很重吗？ Pretty heavy.
超轻的。
It's dance for the dance. It's more
Alright, do you guys want to take the stairs or walking the slope? When we have our fins on in the water, it is ordinary. When we kick with our fins, we want to straight.
Woo! Hi, Besu.
Backward.
Hi, Ariel.
I don't know how to breathe with my mouth.
Right now?
To try to have like one. Where's the other?
Under.
Hi, guys. Proud of you guys. Yay. Did it.
Went there.
Proud.
We were down 1.5.
Almost 2 meters.
Yay.
Can we touch them?
No.
Don't touch the animals.
Yeah, but like seaweed and...
Seaweed. Yeah, it's okay.
Because I didn't touch, I like kind of slapped them. Because
Yeah.
I was balancing on it. And I'm like, oh my god, did I just ruin the marine life? I hope not. I like it. Get your own.
And then you're like floating his belly, like, oh yeah.
Yeah, I get it. What's up? You guys are like those parents. The crazy parents. I live in a city that has really good public transportation. That's my priority because I'm not gonna buy a car. So whenever I'm looking for a city to stay, I choose really good transportation. Scoop, scoop.
You see the camera.
This is really funny. 10 seconds, okay? Okay. Take your
I
time.
don't know if I have time with 10 seconds.
Can you use this for weight training too? Can you?
You can. It's probably gonna be quite
Okay.
heavy. How much weight to put on? Feels good?
你这样更像金子，还给我动嘞。
Shut up! Look, Bob, this is how I walk. This is me when I'm like 85.
Wow, this authentic.
Dude, you're not looking any better.
Give me the camera. Come on. You weren't walking like this.
It looks like I can walk the wrong way.
Oh! Give me a little rosemary action. Come on.
Ready?
Yeah. No, no. It's not working, baby.
It's not?
Take it off, take it off. The aftermath. Oh my god. I look rough. Do you need help? Do you need help? I ain't helping. I'm just like...
Fucking bitch. Thank you.
Because everything's wet, you just
You want to do a little review of what we did today?
Let's review. It's very nice. Exhausting.
Exhausting for sure.
Mars is cute.
Mars is cute. And mean. Took over my seat and used my bag as a pillow.
Wow.
I am
Now
nice.
she's complaining about a dog.
Yeah.
Not about the diving. 'Cause
Yeah.
the diving is great.
Diving was fun. I struggled a little bit at the beginning because there's so many elements that I can't be in control, and I don't like that. Like, you get tunnel vision, you only see whatever that's in front of you. But eventually I got over it. He's having a lot of fun because he's like, no problem with water.
Yeah.
Fine with breathing with his mouth, which I can't. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Huh?
You're welcome.
And then thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my god, the moon is so pretty. It's almost full moon.
Oh yeah.
So, how do you feel?
I feel great because I love water, I love fish. And it always calms me, especially underwater. There's not much noises.
Right.
And yeah,
It's really quiet
it's really calming.
when you're in the water. Another thing that I need to get used to, because it's so quiet, too calm, and I'm so used to the buzzing, and the only thing you can hear is your own breathing, which is really weird to me. I panicked a little bit when I was in the water, but then I figured out the one way to keep me calm and refocus is just to listen to my own breathing.
Exactly.
And it worked. magically. I didn't try to like accomplish a whole lot because I came here with one sole purpose, which is to overcome my claustrophobia, also to overcome the fear of being in open water, which he has no problem with.
Yeah.
So I think
it's a very good practice and very good start.
A good start for sure.
Yeah.
We were diving twice. You went 3 times, I think. Lost track of time when you're in the water. Didn't check time at all.
I checked time.
Okay.
That's great.
We did it. I did it.
Yeah, you smell like you did it, and I think it's a great thing to just really be relaxed. Yeah. Because there's the people nowadays, they got this problem a lot. Just cannot stay still.
Look, I don't have ADD, but I have a little bit like I get bored very easily.
You have to do things.
Yeah, I get bored very easily.
I have to think about things.
Yeah, that's why I don't. We were chatting in the early afternoon. I was like, I don't do running and I don't like meditating because I get bored. You're just sitting there or running, and all you can hear, listening to your own breathing. It's weird. Why would you do that? So would you come back?
I would.
Do another lesson? High five.
Oh, sorry.
Are you thumbing down on me?
No, this is like going down.
Yeah, going down, going up.
Yes.
Something's wrong. What else? I cut you, bitch.
No,
I cut you.
I can't breathe. Help me. Remember?
And this is still what the fuck. Don't mess it up, okay? What the fuck. Ciao!